Hello everyone, my name is Swathika from 5th Standard G section. Today I am going to explain about the drawing and type tools in the Photoshop. First is the type tools. This is the type tool. The shortcut key is you have to press T, the type tool. So I am going to type something. Okay. I have unlocked the layer so I can type. Now I am going to type something like hello. 1 minute. Hello. If I want to change the font, I can select the letters, go to here, and I can change my font. There is also preview. If I want to change my font into this, I can click this. My font will be changed to the font I choose. Or if I want to change the size of the font, I can click here and change it. Or I can type how much font do I want. Example, if I want 60, then type 60 and the size will be converted into 60 pixels. This is the type tool. Next is the vertical type tool. The vertical type tool is also similar to the type tool, but it types vertically. For example, photo Photoshop. It types vertically like this. Similar here, if I want to change the font, I can select and change it to my convenient font. For example, if I want to change my font to this or this, I can click it. Sorry, and my font will be changed. Or if I want to change the size of my letters, I can change it. I can keep 55. Yeah, this is the type tools. Next is the pen tool. The pen tool allows you to draw extremely precise parts, vectors, shapes or selections. Sorry. Yeah, like this. Can draw something like this. This is the pen tool. Next is the freeform pen tool. It allows you to draw freehand parts or shapes. For this, if we right click it, the free pen tool will be opened, or it shows the shortcut key is P. Freeform pen tool allows you to draw freehand drawings. For example, if I want to draw a circle, I can draw a circle freehandly and I can color it. For example, if I want a different color, I can click here. If I want my color to be yellow, I can click yellow and the red color will be changed to yellow. Or if I want green, I can click green and the yellow color will be changed to green color. Next is the curvature pen. The curvature pen is it helps us to draw lines. For example, if I want to draw a square, or like some semicircle, I can draw This is the curvature pen tool. Next is the drawing tools. This is the rectangle tool. I will open a picture. It helps us to color or cut a portion of the image. If I want to change the color to grey, I can change the color into grey or whatever color I want. Next is the ellipse select. This is also similar to the rectangle select, but it selects in ellipse or circle. Next is the line. This line is it selects in a line or it draws a line. That is the line tool. Next is the parametric shape. That is the polygonal shape. It draws in polygonal or selects in polygonals like that. And the last but not least is the custom shape tool. This is the most cool tool I've ever seen. This custom shape tool allows us to draw custom shapes. Like if I want to change the shape, can find it here. Sorry. Sorry. If I want to change it to the play button, can click the play button and the play button logo will be here. So this is the custom shape tool. Or if I want the box button or the box logo, I can change it to I can draw the box logo. And if I want to change the color, I can click here. And if I want to change it to teal, I can click here, teal or cyan. So this is the custom shape tool. Thank you everyone.